Hey, what's up, everybody? This is the DeFi enthusiast from the Crypto Brokerage. I hope you're all doing well. And at the time of this recording, the price of Bitcoin is at $118,899. The Bitcoin dominance is at 59%. Ethereum is at 11.2%. And the market cap right now is a little bit above 4 trillion, which is great. Beautiful. Altcoins, some of the ones that I have given publicly are doing very well. There's a lot of alpha in our private Discord as well, premium Discord. You guys better join because the time is running out, guys. There is some insane things happening in the crypto world. We're seeing President Trump's media company reports $2 billion buy in Bitcoin after crypto bill passes U.S. House. Backed by $2.5 billion funding, Trump's media company has started acquiring Bitcoin as part of its previously announced investment strategy. Trump Media and Technology Group, the company that owns U.S. President Donald Trump's Truth Social platform, said it held about $2 billion in Bitcoin and Bitcoin-related securities, just a few days after significant cryptocurrency bills pushed by Trump advanced in Congress. In a Monday notice, Trump Media said it has acquired Bitcoin as part of an investment strategy announced in May, in which it allocated $1.5 billion from stock sales and $1 billion from convertible senior secured bonds to purchase the cryptocurrency. The media company said it would continue to acquire Bitcoin and Bitcoin-related assets depending on market conditions. The notice came 4 days after the U.S. House of Representatives passed 3 bills during what Republicans and Trump branded as Crypto Week. The price of Bitcoin briefly surged to more than $120,000 as the week began, but has since dropped to $118,436 at the time of publication of this article. So, guys, this is very, very bullish. What you're going to see now is there are companies and DeFi protocols that are working around Bitcoin that are going to be working around it. Bitcoin, of course, is the gold standard in digital currencies, but and there are Bitcoin maximalists that are saying that nothing else is going to go up. Altcoins are never going to perform like they do. Tell that to the price action of altcoins right now and whatever is going on. And like I was telling you, the dominance is going to fluctuate for some time. People are, in my opinion, I will say this again. This is again my view. From my personal experience, my analogy, my analysis. Anything that I say is not financial advice, but this is my view. The next 6 months are going to be very bullish for crypto. Most people will think that crypto is done. They're going to follow the old pattern of selling. We're going to see some sideways actions. We're going to see Bitcoin come down. Everything is going to come down a little bit, but we're not going to see those 60% dumps. We're not going to see those 80% dumps. None of that stuff. We're going to see retracement for sure. And then after that, we're going to see more upside. I see a long-term, I see a very long cycle. And now people are predicting that because, as you can see, Trump has a ton of Bitcoin, okay? Do you think that Trump, as a businessman, would like to not milk this market as much as possible? That's a genuine question. You have the SEC head now who is pro crypto. You have a government that's pro crypto. You have the Stablecoin Act. You have all these companies lining up. Like, for example, just recently, Western Union. Yeah, they're trying to integrate and partner up with stablecoins integration. That's huge. This is all mainstream. As I've been telling you, the financial system is changing. While you have been distracted by whatever is going on all around the world, the financial system is changing right in front of your eyes, guys. And the next 5 to 6 years are going to be very, 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 very monumental for you. Now, I'm not saying we're not going to go down. Like I said, we will, but we will quickly come back up. It's not going to be like every other time where, most people are expecting another 4 years of bear market. I don't see that happening, honestly. I see some retracement, yes. People are going to think that's a bear market, sideways action, and then we're going to start going up again. And most people are going to miss out on that. Most people will make a lot of money too because, they're going to feel rich because of all the money that is being injected, tons of money being printed. But keep in mind, the dollars that you have are devaluing step by step there. Once Bitcoin hits 200K, you need to realize how badly devalued the dollar is, okay? understand finance, understand the economics of things, understand the difference between inflationary and deflationary assets, and you will see what I mean. Now, that does not mean that I'm not saying that don't have dollars. All I'm saying is don't save in dollars. Try to create cash flow. Your cash flow is king. Okay, the dollar isn't the king, your cash flow is king. Because as long as you're having a cash flow, passive income generation, getting, constant money every month, to make your needs, for you to live a proper life where your needs are met, where you're able to do things you want, where you're able to invest further. Try to do that, create that things. We're now getting amazing DeFi protocols within the DeFi space, offering institutional grade type of returns. You can literally stake your stablecoins. Now, after the Genius Act has passed, before, doing DeFi in the US was kind of considered as a crime. Okay? Now you have regulatory clarity. Okay? Do you understand what I mean? The times change, the markets change, the sentiment changes. Okay? The same people that were calling everything a crime, Bitcoin is a scam, this and that, they have now completely changed their tune. Okay? So what you need to realize is that this is an opportunity, big opportunity for you, because now it's legal to be in DeFi. It's legal to, stake your stable coins. You can be getting anywhere between 5, 10, 18% returns on your stable coins through DeFi protocols, And, we're going to keep giving that type of alpha in our premium Discord, where you can do that, what you can do. We're going to find you the best things that you can do. We talked about Anoma in my last video. With things like that, with intent-centric blockchains and projects, you don't even need to do too much now, too many complicated things. You just have to write the prompt and it'll do the work for you to do that. So what I'm saying is times are changing. And if you think that Trump is not going to milk this as much as he can during his presidency, then you've got, I don't know what to tell you, because I think we're going to have a nice long run with some sideways actions and retracements. Yes, but I personally don't think we're going to see another 4-year bear market. That's just not going to happen. I don't think so. Because you have all these ETFs now, altcoin ETFs, okay, that have been approved. You have the Ethereum ETF. You have all these other ETFs. And that means, these companies are being built around the cryptocurrency products to promote those products to their customers. Would they really allow people to lose a lot of money or panic? The normies, they worry they're not like us who are in the crypto space where, we see everything go down 10%, 20%, and we're still like, yeah, it's all good because, we've done our homework, we've done our study, and it's going to recover if we truly believe in what we're investing in, right? A lot of people are not like that. So times have changed, guys. I'm trying to tell you this for your own good. And of course, take profits. Yes, always do that. But if you have long-term projects and you believe in them, then you should definitely, reinvest in those. And one of my biggest conviction plays that I've given publicly is Morpher. Now, if you want to know what Morpher is, guys, I've talked about it so many times. I have actually interviewed the founder of Morpher at Kenzo Trading several times, and I'll be interviewing him again, in the near future as well, because there's a lot of stuff, amazing stuff happening at Morpher. It's valued at a little bit over 30 million market cap right now. But man, it's nothing for what they're doing. Imagine, you've basically got the AI, you've got unlimited power in Paraguay, cheap electricity, mining Bitcoin, earning revenue, training AI agents, having your own AI agents, machine learning, having the best GPUs like the NVIDIA B200, which even Elon has had a hard time getting, to be honest. You have the best miners in the space. You have real infrastructure, real mining facilities, partnerships being done in Dubai, partnerships in Paraguay, partnerships with Honda, partnerships with Nike, partnerships with Vans, and a bunch of other great tier 1 companies. You have, and then they're working on massive things in Dubai, which they haven't revealed yet. And just recently, guys, this is so undervalued, it's not even funny. Just recently, look at this. Big things are moving in Paraguay. We had the pleasure of welcoming I can't even Lam Baja. I can't even pronounce that, but I think it's one of the regulatory authorities in Paraguay, I think, or in the EU, and I think it's in Paraguay. I'm sorry, I can't read that, so forgive me for that. And the State Department to the Morpher headquarters. This shows the growing recognition we are getting at the highest levels. AI infrastructure, Bitcoin mining, local partnerships. We are building fast and getting. Yeah, and getting noticed where it matters. So, guys, this is massive. I mean, I don't know if you understand. This is State Department of the United States, okay, leading U.S. foreign policy. These people have visited the headquarters. They are this, like, I can't even explain to you how big this is. This is massive, okay, absolutely massive. Yeah, and the project is only sitting at a few, at a few multi-millions. This project is poised to be in the multi-billions. This is a blue chip in the making, and it's going to be here for the next many, many years. A lot of people, they talk about vaporware. They talk about things that have that are going to be in the future. Morphware is doing things in real time. All right, real time, and it's building and building and expanding, and it's like a real company with real working products and a business where they're mining Bitcoin as well at the cheapest rates because of their partnership with the government of Paraguay. They're utilizing the Itaipu Dam. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, and they're able to mine Bitcoin with unlimited energy. Okay, and train and carry out the machine learning tasks and run their AI agents and this and that. So their AI side of the business is doing very well. Their revenue generation through Bitcoin is also doing very well, and they are working a lot, guys. These guys are some of the most hardworking people I've seen in this space. This is not just some crypto coin or a crypto pump and dump scheme or some hype. These guys are doing things in real time, and that's why it's so massive. Okay, I cannot recommend Morpher enough. I've given you my biggest conviction project for free, literally. Okay, so just imagine the type of alpha that I have in our premium Discord. Guys, you have no idea. If you guys don't join our premium Discord, you're going to be missing out, because this is the time to change your financial life, because we're trying to change our own as well. We're trying to expand it even further. We have the experience, we have the knowledge, and we've been at it for some time. So join us. Join Crypto Ronins. Join Crypto Ronins, guys. So from a very serious project to completely meme mania, this is where I'm going to be heading. And I want to talk about this because this is, I think, extremely, really, really cool. So Xiaobei, okay? Xiaobei, I already talked about it previously. They have completely rebranded. They have brought in an artist. There's no more AI art. Since they went CTO, that team is phenomenal. One of the most hardworking teams I've seen, when it comes to promoting a coin. Now, meme coins generally don't have any utility, but Xiaobei has been a charity coin as well. They have recently given a lot in charity to the great Andy Leon, and we're going to get into that very soon, who Andy Leon is. Now, they have completely revamped their website. Look how amazing it looks. Xiaobei is the brother of Manu. If you guys don't know, Manu is a very famous Shiba Inu dog on Instagram and TikTok, and so is Xiaobei. But Xiaobei is a different type of coin. So see Xiaobei charity doing good as part of the pack. From partnering with Andy Leon's foundation to supporting real-world causes, Xiaobei isn't just here to meme. He's here to make a difference. Backed by our community wallet, every move we make carries purpose. So the community decided to, in a charity wallet, decided to contribute, and this was done for a good cause, and then they partnered with Andy Leon's foundation as well, and we're going to get into that as well. And Xiaobei, some Shiba OGs are supporting Xiaobei. Manu is already supported by the Shiba Inu official project there, sitting at a 32.4 million market cap. But this one really, it's been holding really well. It could go into the multi-billions as well, because of the narrative, because if the community is strong, the marketing is strong, they keep rising. Rumors are that they might get listed on Binance, but there are also rumors that Andy Leon is about to have a talk with about to have a video chat session on Xiaobei's official Telegram. Maybe that'll bring attraction, and maybe Xiaobei will be getting listed on Binance too, because it's all about volume generation. So Andy Leon is a thought leader, intergovernmental blockchain advisor, investor, and best-selling author. So this guy is massive. He's got a really, really nice following as well. He's an influential figure in the Web3 and NFT space and crypto space. And yeah, so I think this is going to be a very exciting thing. Tomorrow, Xiaobei is having Andy Leon and their Telegram for a video chat. And I think it's going to be really, really exciting. It's going to bring in a lot of hype. The team has been working constantly. They've been working really hard. They've been contributing to charity. So it's not just some normal meme and pump and dump thing. Holding really well. Its all-time high was I think it reached a 2.3 or 2.5 million market cap, if I remember correctly. And I think this one, of course, out of all of the ones I'm going to mention, this one has the most potential comparatively. I mean, in terms of entry price. Manu, of course, is another solid one. Rumors are it's going to get listed on Binance because Binance apparently moved some of these Manu tokens. I don't know if they had, but I don't know what was going on. But as far as I know, so far it's not listed yet. But exchanges usually don't announce when they list something. So, but there's a lot of speculation, a lot of excitement, a lot of buy still going on, a lot of volume, I mean, honestly, they have been impressive to say the least, right? I mean, Manu is insane. Like, if we have a look here, since launch, Manu has generated over $235 million in volume on Uniswap alone. Insane numbers for a 3-week-old project. So yeah, Xiaobei came right a bit after Manu. So both of these are not that old, but in meme world, these are quite old. And they've been holding well, and they have generated a lot of interest and a lot of money coming in. So this is, again, absolutely insane. The third one is Momo, which is Bonk's sister, which I really like too. Now, this one is Take the Pink Pill, and so yeah, show Wendio strength of our Momo army. This is, they're doing some really good job in their marketing. They have a very, very good community. See, Ran Neuner also talked about them. Crypto Man Ran. This guy's got he's a big YouTuber. I've been made aware of a certain ludicrous allegation on Twitter and in Telegram groups that we have purchased a large amount of Momo on the open market. I would like to place on record that these allegations are completely and utterly true, and that we plan to defend these. I would okay, and utterly true, and that we like. We don't know the team, never spoken to them, but we know exactly what an obsessed community looks like, and this community is insane. So yeah, it's all about community, guys. All three of the projects that I gave you, okay, Xiaobei, Manu, and Momo, they have the narrative. They have insane communities. Now Momo could also. I mean, Bonk is where's Bonk? Bonk is doing very well. Bonk actually, if we have a look at Bonk, right, it's sitting at a 2,763,650,737 market cap. Now, Bonk has also launched its Pump Fund. Pump Fund is a meme coin platform where you can launch memes in seconds, and they generate revenue and stuff. They had a pre-sale, and right now a lot of people are in a loss because like I said, pre-sales. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, and with a meme coin platform, it can be tricky. But Bonk launched their own Bonk Fund platform where you can do the same things, but they're generating real revenue as well. They're able to, they did things properly, but all that revenue is going into Bonk. Okay, so yeah, holding Bonk, some Solana OGs are not even selling their Bonks. They have huge bags as well. And of course, it's on Solana. Momo is also on Solana. Momo is Bonk's sister. That's the narrative. And they have one of the wildest and strongest communities. You can see the chart. It's absolutely insane. Okay, just look at that chart. This is a meme coin chart, guys. Okay, the chart for Manu looks really solid too. The chart for Xiaobei is holding pretty well, and tomorrow is going to be, they're relentless. Their team is very hardworking. If I had to compare, like when it comes to, I think Manu and Momo have a ton more insanity going right now, but Xiaobei is no slouch either. The community is very, very, very bullish. The community is very, very hyped. The community is very active, and the team is very active. That's the most important thing. Like that partnership with Andy Leon, that whole charity thing, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And I think all these, out of all these, this is my favorite is Xiaobei. I like all of them, but I think Xiaobei is my favorite. And I think this is going to do very well. I think all of them will do very well. They have a ton of potential to go into millions and millions or even billions in market cap if they keep on with this momentum, with the right marketing, with the night, and they've got the narrative right there. They have a huge following as well on social media. The whole the whole Momo thing is catching up. The community is relentless. So yeah, this one I see going up as well. Again, not financial advice. I mean, this is crypto, and these are meme coins. But you can see they have been, they have been, honestly, they have been doing pretty decently. I mean, if it was a pump and number, it would have been over a long time ago. That's what happens with memes generally, but not the case here, guys. I mean, it's been on a constant tear, constant growth, and I think this is really, 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 really awesome, guys. So, yeah, I think this is the alpha that I wanted to give you right now for today. And if you liked all of this, just imagine all the great alpha that we're posting on our premium Discord, from analysis to market updates to altcoin gems, things that we think are in the long term. There's another great project, AI project, which has regulatory clarity in the EU. Okay, and it's so undervalued that it's not even funny. And they received a grant from the German government. Now, if you want to find out what that project is, you can either go through my X, of course, if you can find it, and or you can join our premium Discord, because we have a lot of gems like that, undervalued gems that it can give you 100x returns, potentially 50x returns, 500 to 1,000x returns as well, because these are so undervalued. And this industry is going to grow with or without you guys. So yeah, I mean, Xiaobei, Manu, Momo, very, very cool meme coins, I think, with great communities. It's all about communities and narratives, and these three have it. Okay, so yeah, I believe these are some of the best plays for memes this time around. And yeah, I've already talked about Morpher several times. I'm giving you another update. I'm just giving you all this updates so that you can change your lives, guys. I'd be happy if any of you make money through whatever I am talking about. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but still, join our premium Discord for the best alpha. Trust me, guys, we've been working a lot, and you don't want to miss out on that. So this is me, the DeFi enthusiast from the Crypto Ronins, signing out. I hope that you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Take care, guys. Bye.